Let's say, for example, that I want to change the background color of the page and add a gradient. I could change the background color with the Visual Edit toolbar, but I wouldn't be able to add a subtle gradient. So what we can do is enable the Visual Edit mode, select the background element we want to change, then use the chat to tell the AI exactly what we want to change about the selected element. I'll submit the request. And here you can see that the AI did exactly what I asked for. The page has a darker peachy color and has a subtle gradient. Now, let's say we didn't actually like this change. How do we undo it? That's easy. To undo changes, go to the chat and find the message prompt you want to undo. Then click Revert This, and click OK on the confirmation pop-up. Base44 now undoes the change and reverts back to the last version of the app. If we go back to our meal plan page, we can see the background is white again. Alternatively, you could also open the version history in the top left and choose a specific version of the app to revert to from the list there.